Every business is selling a product or a service. And the big challenge with service-type businesses is that all of your clients, if given the opportunity, would want something that's customized. But customized products and services take a lot of time, energy, creativity, and intelligence. You want to, as much as possible, make sure that you have a product. You want to turn the service that you offer into a 3-step, 4-step, 5-step product that you can offer people. What this does, it makes it easy for you and your team to have standardized processes across the board, because every single client you're working through is going through the 4-step process for X. As much as possible, you want to productize your service. You want to move from having a customized service offering to having something that's standardized, a product that you can rinse and repeat on a regular basis. Every single one of your clients is going to push you to have something that's customized. You want to start to design things that are more product-oriented, that's service-oriented, and customization-oriented. Because if you're able to do that, you increase the likelihood that you are running the business versus the business is running you.